Veteran actor Naseeruddin Shah has revealed that he was disinvited from a Mumbai University event at the last minute without any explanation from them, calling this incident very insulting and deeply disappointing. In a recent opinion piece for the Indian Express that he's written, Naseeruddin Shah wrote that he was informed late on the night of 31st of January that he is not needed for an event that he was invited to that was scheduled just the following day, Feb 1st. He said that he had been looking forward to this event because he could interact with students, given his 4-decade-long experience in association with teaching and mentoring aspiring actors. So Shah says he was really looking forward, but described this abrupt cancellation as very hurtful and unprofessional, particularly since no reason or apology was offered by the organizers. He suggested that the decision may have been linked to his outspoken criticism of the current political climate, referring to reports that a senior university official had accused him of making statements against the country. Naseeruddin Shah strongly refuted this. In fact, he challenged anyone in the university to produce one single statement that he's made against the country. He says, show me one single statement I've made in which I have run down India, insisting that his criticism has always been aimed at those in power, not at the nation itself. He says, and I quote, I have never praised the self-proclaimed Vishwaguru. I have been critical of the way he conducts himself. His narcissism offends me and I haven't been impressed by a single thing he's done in 10 years, he writes in his op-ed. Shah adds that he has consistently voiced concerns about growing intolerance and misuse of power. The actor listed several issues that, according to him, reflect the troubling direction the way the country is moving forward, including the prolonged detention of student activists without trial, bail being granted to those convicted of serious crimes, cow vigilantism, changes to history textbooks, and political rhetoric targeting minorities. Drawing a parallel with George Orwell's 1984, Naseeruddin Shah says of what he calls the rise of thought police and a culture where dissent is increasingly treated as sedition. He's lamented that failing to praise the leadership now risks of being branded as anti-national. He says, and I quote, "This is not the country I grew up in and was taught to love." He wrote, concluding his piece on a somber note. Naseeruddin Shah, we know, is a very acclaimed actor. He's an author. He's widely regarded as one of India's finest performers. And the number of films that he's essayed in, we have watched and adored him. Most notable ones include Nishant, Aakrosh, Masoom, Iqbal, Wednesday, Dirty Picture, Ishqiya. The diverse roles that he plays, actor par excellence certainly. He's made significant contributions to parallel cinema, mainstream Bollywood theatre and international films.